Dear my friends, we are still in chapter 4 and today we are going to learn about titles the law of resultant consciousness, Vibhaga Niyama, frequency of Kama Javanas, frequency of Apana Javanas, procedure of Tadalamana and gas life continuum Agantuka Poenga. So before we studied about Lord Buddha Abhidhamma, we shall pay homage 3 times Namo Tassa to Lord Buddha. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Page 137. That paragraph. The law of resultant consciousness, Vibhaga Niyama. Niyama means law, as Vibhaga Cittas are the resultants of karmas. They arise in vittis regularly according to the karmas, just as the image appears in the mirror, in accordance with the person in front of the mirror. Now one comes across unpleasant objects such as decaying carcass, excrement, etc. on account of one's immoral karma. So at such moment, akusala vibhaga cittas, namely chakku vijnana, sampadechana, sandirana and tadalamana arise in the cognitive series. When one comes across fairly good objects, kusala vibhaga cittas, namely chakku vijnana, sampatichana, ubekha sandirana and ubekha tadalamana arise in vittis. When the object is very good, somanasa sandirana and somanasa tadalamana arise instead of the ubekha cittas. Kusala javanas and akusala javana do not occur regularly as vibhaga cittas. Yoniso manasikaras, wise reflection leads to the arising of kusala javanas, whereas yoniso manasikara and wise reflection gives rise to akusala javanas. Frequency of Kama javanas. Normally, Kama javana arises 7 times in a vitti. But in young babies and unconscious persons, the head base is weak and accordingly, Kama javana arises 6 or 5 times in a vitti. In Maranasana vitti, which occurs at the time of dying, Kama javana occurs only 5 times. In Pichavakana vittis, retrospective cognitive process. I will repeat again to get correct pronunciation. Retrospective cognitive process. The person is examining the jhana factors very rapidly and so Kama javana occurs only 4 or 5 times per vitti. In Upachara Samadhi javanas, Kama javana occurs 4 times as Parikama, Upachara, Anuloma and Kodrabhut in person of slow knowledge, or 3 times as Upachara, Anuloma and Kodrabhut in persons of quick knowledge. Next lesson, tab paragraph of page 138. Title is Frequency of Appana Javanas. In all the Rupa Vajra Jhana vittis and Arupa Vajra Jhana vittis, the corresponding Appana Javana occurs only once in a person who attained the jhana for the first time, in order to enter the ecstatic absorption corresponding to that jhana, he can develop jhana samapatti vidhi in which apana javana occurs repeatedly many times. In abhinya apana vidhis, the rupa vajra kusala fit javana arise. I will repeat descendant. In abhinya apana vidhis, the rupa vajra kusala fit javana arise, once functioning as abhinya javana. For more to understand clearly, I will repeat this sentence again. In abhinya apana vidhis, the rupa vajra kusala fit javana arise, once functioning as abhinya javana. In an arahant, the rupa vajra kriya fit jhana arise once as abhinya javana. In magga apana vidhi, the corresponding magga javana arise only once, followed by either two phalajata as apana javanas in a person or slow wisdom, or three phalajata as apana javanas in a person or quick wisdom. In Palasamapatti vidhi, the corresponding phalajata occurs many times without break, functioning as apana javanas. In Nirodha Samapatti vidhi, Nivasanya Nasanya Yadana Chitta arise twice just before the extinction of consciousness and all mental activity. During the Nirodha Samapatti, Chitta as well as Chittasikas and Chitta Chittija Rupa are. I will repeat again this sentence. During the Nirodha Samapatti, Chittas as well as Chittasika and Chittija Rupa are extant. I will repeat again this sentence again. During the Nirodha Samapatti, Chittas as well as Chittasika and Chittija Rupa are extant, so no javana exists. In coming out of the Nirodha Samapatti, Anagami Phalajata occurs once as apana javana in an Anagami, or Arahata Phalajata occurs one as apana javana in an Arahant. As a regular procedure of javana, immediately after a somanasa pleasant kama javana, a somanasa apana javana should be expected, and after a kama javana accompanied by equanimity, and apana javana accompanied by equanimity is to be expected. Next lesson, procedure or Tadalamana. Tadalamana retention occurs only in karma person when they are observing karma sense objects with karma javana vara vidhis. Generally, ubekha javana or domanassa javana is followed by ubekha tadalamana, whereas somanassa javana is followed by somanassa tadalamana. In practice, the following procedure is observed. Number 1. After 4 Mahakriya Upekha javanas and 2 Domanassa javanas, 4 Mahavipaka Upekha Tadalamanas and 2 Santirana Upekha Tadalamanas may arise. Number 2. After 4 Mahakriya Somanassa javanas and Hasitubada javana, 4 Mahavipaka Somanassa Tadalamanas and 1 Somanassa Santirana Tadalamana may arise. Number 3. After the remaining 10 Akusala javanas and 8 Mahakusala javanas, or the 11 Tadalamanas may arise. Next lesson, Gas Life Continuum, Agantuka Poenga. For a person whose rebel consciousness is a somanassa citta, his life continuum must also be a somanassa bhuanga for life. When that person is angry, his domanassa javana cannot be followed by Somanasa Tada Lamana and Somanasa Bhuvinga because Somanasa Vedana oppose Domanasa Vedana just like fire opposing water. But according to his rebel consciousness, Somanasa Bhuvinga must arise. In this difficult situation, Ubeka Sandirana arises once as an Agantuka Bhuvinga. Agantuka means guest or stranger. Pafon means Bhuvinga function and not the Sandirana function. The Upekha Vedana can be matched with both Domanasa Vedana and Somanasa Vedana. The Agantuka Bhuvinga cannot perceive the sun object which is obsessed by the Domanasa Javana. It perceives a familiar karma object which has been obsessed several times in the past. That's all for today.